So hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? So in today's video I'm going to share with you how I prepare this yummy and delicious smoothie using coconut chaff and mango. Yeah guys, this was so delicious. Yeah, so if you are watching me and you have been throwing away your coconut chaff, please stop. Coconut chaff has a lot of health benefits. Yeah, so as you all know, it contains fiber and also contains healthy fats. Yeah, it also strengthens your immune system, and also it contains essential minerals, and also it helps with inflammation. So if you're watching this video and you're throwing away your coconut chaff, please stop here. So today I'm going to be making mango smoothie, and then I'm going to add some of my coconut chaff. Yeah, so I am in the process of making coconut oil. Yes, so this chaff, the chaff I got from my coconut, I didn't throw it away. I'm going to be making good use of it. Yeah, so with this coconut chaff, you can be adding it to your fufu. Yeah, it has a good source of fiber. Yeah, so don't throw them away, instead make good use of it. Yeah, so as you can see, I have my mango. This mango was overripe. Yeah, this was how I wanted it. Yeah, so how you want your mango determine how your smoothie will come out. Yeah, if you like, this one was so delicious, it was yummy. Yeah, so as you can see, I've added the coconut chaff. Yeah, after I'm going to add milk powder. I didn't have any milk in the house aside the milk powder, so after I'm going to add ice and then water, then I'm going to blend. Here, so you need a very powerful blender, yeah, because of the ice that you're going to add, or else you're going to break your blender. So you need your odogu blender, and I recommend you to get your ninja here. So as you can see, this is me adding the milk powder, and then after I'm going to add the ice. And guys, this smoothie was so delicious, it was yummy. And guys, this smoothie I had it in the morning, and guys, it lasted the whole day. It was in the evening that I ate. So you see, if you are looking forward to lose weight, I would advise you to use this here. And with the milk powder, it's optional. Yeah, if you're trying to lose weight, I will advise you to omit the milk powder. Yes, omit the milk powder. Yes, if you have any healthy milk, you can use, like soya milk, you can use it. Yeah, almond milk, you can use it. But milk powder, if you're trying to lose weight, avoid it. Yeah, so as you can see, I've added the ice, and then I added some water. Yeah, so after I'm going to blend it, and guys, voila. Guys, let's see how creamy this is looking. Guys, tell me, why will you throw your coconut chaff away? You can be adding it to your fufu. Guys, stop throwing your coconut chaff away. And guys, this it lasted me the whole day. It was in the evening that I ate. Yeah, so you see, this is how it's looking. See how creamy this is looking. And guys, it was delicious. It was on top of the world. So if you are looking for a smoothie, then try this and you will love it. Yeah, so as you can see, this is how our smoothie is looking. So I'm going to be enjoying this behind the camera. Yes, so guys, as you can see, I finished this at a go. Yeah, this is how good this was. Yeah, so guys, if you're seeing this video for the first time, please don't forget to share, like, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.